asuntoskeittiö Casino Ranta, Satamakatu 11 ja Katajanokka Helsinki. Sitä kesää.
But it's strange. This building dates back to 1908 and 13.
Yeah.
But everything's replaced.
Yeah, I thought that.
Like a brand new house.
Yeah, it also smells like that.
Smells like brand new.
Yeah.
It says 2020 on the door. This was all the time. So this was the turn of the year 2019-20.
Yeah.
But they have the special doors.
Yeah. In 2019, 4372819.
Invested 6 crores for 8 grams. We expect it in 2024. 8 floors here.
Yeah.
But it's one of the tallest ProSpaces in Finland.
Yeah.
Or maybe the tallest we've seen so far.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And it has a wooden cab. And these buttons are not bad either.
Yeah.
I know if somebody's coming or not.
Yeah.
And there is no close button in it.
Yeah.
And also the door open doesn't work, I've tried it.
Yeah.
I didn't install it. But somebody's coming.
No.
Yeah. And it's also not that common, those with fornicators.
Yeah.
But such a strange solution here for 8 floors.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But maybe it was cheaper.
Yeah.
But otherwise, of course, I think they could have built a real monospace one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's maybe a bit darker wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's more interesting than monospace.
Well, it is actually. Because it's pretty weird.
Yeah.
And the tallest in Finland in this.
Yeah.
The tallest ProSpace we've seen.
Yeah.
So far. So we also can't say it is bad, but it's just weird.
Yeah.
But it's not the best either.
Yeah.
Not the best newer. Because for example in Kone there's the scenic elevator from 2016.
Yeah.
Or with the same style, but it's a real
Yeah.
glass doors and scenic to the garden.
Yeah.
When I filmed the sticks, people were in sticks, but it's the same space type.
Yeah.
So that is still better.
Yeah. Diskuteert ett par kivaiskuta, maintained by Kone.
Back to
No, we started with.
yeah.
That's it.